Hello guys, this is your boy Jim and back with another video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to rename multiple files within Windows Explorer. So let's get into the video. So guys, here I have multiple files of multiple types, so you can have same type files or different types, doesn't matter. So let's say I want to rename these few. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 11 12. So these 12 files I want to rename. 1 2 3 4 6 7. So first off, you have to select the files you want to rename. So I have selected this, so they got highlighted. So then you have to press F2 on your keyboard. So by clicking F2, one of the files will ask you to rename it. So let's say I want to rename all of this to rename sample, right? So I type rename sample for 1. Let me press enter. So here you can see I named one rename sample, and the others that I selected also got named rename sample, but the file types, they got parentheses and numbered. So the PDF that I named is this one, so this one got 1, the second one got 2, the third one got 3, right? And the images, that JPEG format started with 1 2 3 and so on, and the DNGs also started with 1 2 3 and so on. So if you change your mind and want to go back, then all you have to do is press Ctrl Z. So that will undo what you just did. So what if I wanted to rename all of this? Same thing, select all, press F2 on your keyboard, and then just type whatever you want. Let's say whatever. So here everything got named whatever, right? And if I want to undo this, Ctrl Z. So yeah guys, that was the small video. So hope this helps some of you. I don't know why you would want to rename all your files to a same name or something, but you can do it pretty easily within Windows Explorer. So yeah, that was the video. Hope it helped. Like, subscribe, share, and see you guys in the next one.